navigation configuration in Alfresco 4.2. In this demonstration, we are going to use Alfresco 4.2.1 Share, an iPad mini, and Alfresco iPad app version 2.0.2. However, this process should be the same for other iOS platforms such as the iPod and iPhone and Android. Our use case will show the default Alfresco mobile navigation menu options, creation of Alfresco mobile navigation menu configuration file, and updating Alfresco mobile navigation menu to display and hide features. It's important to note this feature is a preview and non-supported feature within Alfresco. Before we move on, let's talk a little bit about Bluefish. Our motto is we believe companies deserve to have it done right the first time. We're an Alfresco Platinum partner and have been in the ECM space for over 15 years. Whether custom application development or off-the-shelf software, we tailor solutions to meet our clients' business needs. Some prerequisites for this demonstration: you need an installed Alfresco client from the App Store, a working Alfresco server, version 3.4 or newer. It's important to note my files and shared files will only work in 4.2 and newer. You also need Alfresco administrator privileges. You'll need write permission to the repository and data dictionary. Now let's get started with the demonstration. First, from your iPad, you will want to download and install the Alfresco mobile app and open it up. When you first open up the Alfresco mobile app, if you look in the navigation, you will see activities, tasks, synced content, otherwise known as favorites, sites, my files, otherwise known as user home, repository, settings, local files, and help. In this demonstration, we are going to hide all navigation items except for tasks, synced content, and my files. To get started, we'll navigate to our Alfresco Share and log in as an administrator. Once logged in as an administrator, navigate to Repository, Data Dictionary. We'll create a new folder called Mobile. Within this new mobile folder, we'll select Create a new plain text file to create our configuration.json. The name of the file is configuration.json. We'll title it Mobile Configuration. And for the content, I've created some sample content root menu items. I will copy these and paste these right into the content. For this sample, we have set activities to false, tasks to true, favorites to true, sites to false, user home to true, shared to false, repository to false, local files to false, and notification and search to false. Select Create to save and create this configuration file. Once the file is created and saved, let's go back to our iPad and we will refresh the Alfresco mobile app by clearing it out, reopening it, and if you now notice on the navigation, we are only displaying tasks, synced content, my files, settings, and help will always be there. These changes we made to the configuration will show up for all sites under our selected Alfresco server. In conclusion, to make changes to Alfresco's mobile app navigation menu, you first log into Alfresco as an administrator, you navigate to Repository Data Dictionary, you create a folder called Mobile. Within that folder, create a new file, configuration.json. To create this file, you click Create in the drop-down and select Plain Text. Name the file configuration.json. In the content text box, add the desired root menu options. On the next slide, we'll show you the sample that we used for this demonstration. Then save the new file. Alternatively, you could also import a configuration.json file that you have stored locally. Finally, log into Alfresco with your mobile app and confirm the navigation menu items are displaying correctly. Here is an example of the configuration file that we used today during our demonstration. Thanks a lot for watching. Our contact information is here on the screen. Feel free to reach out to us at any time.